What do she do? I do everything. I move everything.
I am not looking for clout, no. I knew I would figure it out, I knew. I took the millionaire route, running up.
My cousin, her birthday is next week, and she's just as extra as me. And she's throwing a Halloween party, and she's having a Barbie party, which is so funny because when the Barbie movie came out, we went to go see the movie. We did a whole little Barbie thing. Like, we love Barbie. Even though I'm really a brat, I always had Barbies growing up, so I still love Barbie. So I got my whole entire costume, and what she wanted was everybody to buy a Barbie, dress like your Barbie for the party, and bring the Barbie with you to the party so we could donate the Barbies. And I think that's just like the cutest idea for little girls who love Barbies, who are less fortunate, who don't have dolls, who don't get dolls. So we're gonna donate it. So I'm gonna show y'all my Barbie. She is so cute. Oh, look at my Barbie. Ballerina Barbie. Her skirt lights up, and her like little corset lights up too. I want y'all to see her crown and everything, but she is the freaking cutest. I just want to dress up as a ballerina, and I just never have. And then guess where I got the whole entire costume from? Temu. T-E-M-U. I have never used Temu before. This was my first order with Temu, so, and I'm very excited. It actually got here on time and everything. So this is my tutu, which is so cute. This is an adult tutu, and as you can see, her tutu has stars and little holographic circles and stars and shapes in it, and mine does too. Like, this is the exact fit, and her tutu lights up. And guess what? This tutu lights up, y'all. This tutu is probably like $4. This tutu lights up. Like, I'll show you. I'm not gonna do the light up thing yet because I don't want it to mess up before the party, which is this weekend. But it has a little remote. You pull the sticker out of the remote, and then you could turn it on and off. But this purple tights, really. Some ballet shoes, and this is what they look like. Like, these are actual ballet slipper ballet shoes. And y'all, they have adult sizes and they have kid sizes. It has like the padded toe and the heel, and then it's soft right here. If you want to go even further and commit, they actually have the hard toe shoes as well, like the actual ballerina shoes. They had them on there. I thought about getting that, but I was like, these I could probably use again. Those I'm never gonna use again, so I didn't get it. But it wasn't expensive at all. It looks like, isn't it so cute? Her crown kind of has like a dangle piece on her forehead. I bought this little piece right here, which I've actually had something like this before. When I went to my prom high school, I had a piece just like this. So it's basically gonna go here just like this, and it's gonna be just like this to match with my Barbie. Yeah, it's giving. This is what the top looks like. There we go. So it has like the little boning inside of it, and then it like drapes on the front of it. It has a corset tie back where you pull tight to your body size, and then it has like these kind of like chiffon straps. Match my Barbie, and it is so freaking cute. So the only thing that I'm going to fix with my whole entire costume that I have here is my tutu. Like, I like how it is, but I really wanted a tutu, you know, the tutus that kind of stay up like that, like the pancake tutus. So I'm trying to give real Barbie, like I'm trying to give real ballerina. This is what my tutu is looking like, just as is. Very cute as is. It has this layer, and then this is like a double layer. I wish it was one more layer. But anyway, I'm gonna come back to you guys when I actually try everything on. Let's get into this tutorial, guys. I just wanted to show you up close all the shapes, like little moons and stars, and they are holographic. This is the first set of wire that I tried. Don't use this. Again, don't use that. Use this one right here. As you can see, it's thicker. It holds its shape a lot more, and it was a 16 gauge size wire. So you can use 16. I think 14 would be a good size, but anything that's smaller in diameter is not going to work. You need something thicker. So
I got this from Blick Art Studio. You can get this from Amazon. I'll link it in my Amazon storefront to find, so you guys can find it a little bit easier there. Also, all of the Temu products I use will be in the description as well. And what I'm doing to adhere the wire is just sewing it on. Very simple. Basically just making the stitch around the wire, tying a knot so it ties tightly like this, pulling it through, and then just knotting it around itself to the wire and then cutting it. Very, very simple, not hard at all. If you don't know how to sew at all, or you don't think you can do this, you could try taping it, and I would suggest using duct tape because it will be strong enough to hold on to the fabric of the tulle and also the wire. But you'll just have to find a color that kind of meshes well with the color of your tulle and your wire. But I just went around the wire and made sure all of the wire was flush.
It works. It actually works.
Try to use a thread that's closer to the color of your tulle.
So this is the final look on the inside. If you could use white or the same color of tulle, it'll look a lot better. But it was actually not that noticeable from the outside. And make sure you try to get it as flush to the tulle as possible. That's what helps it stay up. Like you see how this is kind of gapping right here? That's not good. It's okay in the back because the back is a little bit shorter than the front. I think that's also what makes it look a little bit more layered because it's shorter than the front for some reason. I could cut it, but I'm just not. I don't care that much. See how this is flush? You need it flush. You need it flush. And yeah. Now we're moving on to my hair. So I'm going to record that for you guys.
Let's jump into the hair. I'm excited because I haven't done a hair tutorial for you guys in a while, but this is an easy no sew no glue ponytail. I just have a bundle of hair here, and I'm attaching one of my cotton hair ties to like the middle of the bundle, just tying it around, and I use the actual hairband to tie around my ponytail. I just straighten and blow dry my hair. Well, I just blow dry my hair. I didn't straighten it. And so I'm just wrapping it around the base of my ponytail, as you can see. And I just keep wrapping it until I don't have any track left and I just have a little piece of hair left, and I'm going to use that to wrap around. I'm not going to bobby pin it or anything like that, considering that this is going to be a bun. So I'll just throw that to the back. And then I start to kind of pull out the hair to make sure everything's going in the same direction. And I just wrap the ends of the hair around the roots of my head. Get a hair tie, and voila. We now have a little bun. Kind of wanted to have a little messy look bun. So I'm just going to adhere the sides to make sure it's sturdy with bobby pins. And I leave a little of the pieces of the ends of my hair out so I can curl it around to give myself some little curls and tendrils around the bun.
Just to like sneak in. Okay guys, I laid my edges down, and this is the final look on my hair. I'm sorry, the lighting is so weird in here. I'm gonna try to fix it when I edit, but this is the bun. Super simple, super easy, no sew, no glue. Something you could definitely do at home by yourself. Not hard at all. And this is me before my makeup.
Let's jump into a quick shot of me doing my makeup. My friend came over. We went to eat right after this. This was for the party. So after this, I'm going to show you guys the final look of me turning into Ballerina Barbie from Dreamtopia. And at the end of this video, you'll see clips of me at the actual party and what happened there. So keep watching. It's time to put the whole entire look together. I feel like I've been cooking up this concoction, and now I'm just putting the pieces together, and I'm so excited to show you guys how it turned out. Again, this top was from Shein. I don't think I mentioned that in the beginning of the video. I'm just spraying on some body glitter oil from Tom Ford and putting all the pieces together. My shoes, I bought some glittery ribbon from Amazon to tie around my legs, like the ribbons that the ballerinas wear. It's just all coming together. Like, Everything is really doing what it needs to do so it can become a ballerina. This is like fulfilling my childhood dream. And I feel like that's what adulting is too. Just doing things that makes your childhood inner self happy and proud. And being a ballerina is one of them for me.
Amazing. I'm obsessed. As you can see, it turned out perfect. The little headpiece, the crown. I have a huge tulle scrunchie that matches my skirt. So freaking cute. The top gives corset with the back, the tights, the shoes. These are my shoes. And then the Barbie. We're twinning. Like what? We're twins. Oh my gosh. So cute. And so for the final reveal, I'm gonna go ahead and pop the light on the skirt. Hopefully she looks right here. Take it out. So cute. I'll let you know how long it lasts, but thank you so much for watching. This was fun turning into Ballerina Barbie. See you next time. Oh, bring me out the plastic. Hi, Barbie. Oh my God, Barbie. Period, Barbie.
You gotta do it.
Right here. Target. This is how you do it right. Have some nudity. How do you feel about that?
I cannot stress to y'all enough how this Barbie box and all the Barbie decor made everyone's night. We had so much fun. It was a lot of Barbies there that night. Some people forgot to bring their Barbies, but I am going to make a reel of all the people who did because I took pictures of everything. Follow my socials below to catch the behind the scenes. Oh, the Barbie box is litty. What? The birthday girl was Scorpio Barbie during her birthday, which was Scorpio season. She nailed her look, and I actually did her hair, which I will be uploading a tutorial on that. Hi, Barbie! Here's a snippet of the Barbies that made it to the party. We had some Kens and G.I. Joes in there, so the children that will donate these to will definitely love these. I know. Go ahead, Chris. Oh, 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 twirl. Oh, oh, oh. If you made it this far into this video, thank you guys so much for watching and coming to Barbie World with me. I just want to show you this camera that we're using, which is the Kodak printomatic digital print camera. We just took a picture right here, and I wanted to show you how the picture prints off. It's such a cool camera. It will be in my Amazon storefront. But thank you so much for watching. See you guys with the next video.